If you want to take good care of your RV's plumbing system, then you need to make sure that it's properly vented, which you can do with these RecPro's RV Replacement Plumbing Sewer Vent Caps. This USA-made product is a plumbing sewer vent cap, which is designed to replace your existing RV sewer vent cover and fits standard 1-inch to 2-inch vent pipes. It helps keep rain and debris out of your plumbing system while also allowing for improved airflow and for sewage gases from your black and gray water tanks to flow and escape, which can help prevent your black or gray water tanks from rupturing due to gas buildup. Installing these sewer vent caps is pretty easy. All you need is some buell tape, some sealant, and some screws. You just remove your existing roof sewer vent, slap on some buell tape here, slap it over your existing sewer vent hole, put the screws in, and then apply sealant. And that's all there is to it. Furthermore, these vent caps are built out of solid PVC plastic, which makes them incredibly durable, as well as highly resistant to harsh outdoor elements, such as UV light, rain, snow, ice, and more. These sewer vent caps are intended for use with your gray and black water tanks. You should not use them with your fresh water tanks, as they can still allow insects to crawl inside, and you certainly don't want that in your fresh water supply. The dimensions for this product are up on the screen if you want to pause the video and take a quick look. If you'd like to learn more about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.